Welcome back to How to Mobile Photo. I'm Neeta Shankar, a wedding and lifestyle photographer from Bangalore. Street photographers capture real moments of everyday life. Whether it's portraits of interesting subjects or candid street scenes, street photography not only requires the right instincts and quick thinking, but also requires proper equipment to take the best photos. The famous photographer Chase Jarvis once said, "The best camera is the one that's with you." And given that our smartphones are always with us, they offer the most convenience to capture each moment. Today, I'll be teaching how to do street photography with a smartphone using the brand new smartphone Redmi K50i powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8100 processor. Here are a few tips you can use to explore the world of street photography. Keep your eyes open. The decisive moment, as coined by the street photography pioneer Henri Cartier-Bresson, is about capturing the emotional, spontaneous moments that exist all around you. In order to do this, you must always be watching with your camera at the ready. Even after you take your shot, don't pull it up to review. That moment is already gone, so just keep observing. Shoot from the hip. With the right setup, you can skip the live view and leave your camera at waist level. This allows you to remain discreet, capturing even more natural candids. Take shots at different times. Daytime photographs obviously have a different feel than photographs taken at night. Experiment with taking photos in different levels of light, making use of shadows and contrasts to give your photos a bolder impact. Get the right equipment. While anyone with a smartphone has access to a decent camera, smartphone camera quality varies greatly. So make sure you get one that is capable of taking the photos you want, like the Redmi K50i powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8100 processor, where you can reimagine your street photography with 64 megapixel ISO primary sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro triple camera setup paired with MediaTek Imagic 780 ISP. This delivers clear and sharp photos even in low light for near perfect moments captured. Together, this triple array captures even the finest details. Be personable. Some of your shots may be discreetly taken candids, but what about when you want to take some intimate street portraits? Introduce yourself to the person you're photographing and build a rapport with them. You will get better photographs of your subjects if they feel comfortable and at ease. Be patient. It may seem like street photography is all about taking photos at the moment, but there's also a lot of waiting involved. Be ready to park yourself on a bench like a visual stakeout waiting for the perfect shot to come to you. And to spend long hours waiting for that perfect moment, you definitely need a highly efficient battery. While Redmi K50i 5G is built using the highly advanced TSMC 5nm N5 production, the MediaTek Dimensity 8100 processor gives exceptional power efficiency and longer battery life for the smartphone, enabling the photographer to shoot for a longer duration. So take your time and enjoy the real world of street photography. Get creative. Street photography doesn't just have to be about people. Sometimes it's about the contrasting visuals of a cityscape. Patterns and textures you find across the street, weeds growing through a sidewalk or an abandoned storefront. Look to capture the essence of anything that stands out to you. Once we are done shooting, it's time to edit the images and transfer the data. Thanks to MediaTek Dimensity 8100, this is a piece of cake. This processor elevates the smartphone to new heights in performance using the high-speed LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 ROM, making it one of the Redmi's fastest smartphones in memory and storage. Now you can transfer files in a flash. That's it for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such content. See you next week.